Hello everyone, my name is Akash Ashokun Uttabur and my roll number is MB24000. Today I am going to present on a topic of factor of production. First of all, what is a factor of production? Factor of production are the fundamental resources used to create goods and services in an economy. These factors determines how efficiently or effectively resources are allocated to satisfy human needs and wants. And after understanding the factor of production is essential for navigating the complex world of economics. And there are four core factors of production. First is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. And it is very important. Why it matters factor of production so much is it helps in economic growth, proper resource allocation, and for business strategy. And number one factor of production is land. Land refers to all natural resources that exist without human intervention and are used in production. These resources are either renewable or non-renewable. Actually, this is fixed in supply. मतलब if there is an excess amount of a supply, we cannot create an if there is an excess amount of a demand, so we cannot create an excess supply. It is limited in nature. For example, land, and it is important because land is very important because it is essential for agriculture, mining, and industrial activity, and provides raw material for a production and determines economic strength of a nation. Second is labor. Labor refers to human and physical mental efforts used in the production of a goods and services. It includes both skilled and unskilled workers. A type of labor are unskilled labor. Unskilled labor requires a little to no formal education. Example, farm workers, cleaners. And semi-skilled labor requires some training but not a high level of education. Example, a machine operator. And skilled labor requires specialized training or education. For example, doctors or engineers. And professional labor, a highly educated individual who apply advocated advanced knowledge. Example, lawyers and scientists. And some of the characteristics of labors are human contributions, variable supply, and quality matters. Example, a factory workers assembling mobile phones, a teacher providing education, a software engineer developing an applications. We now second is capital. Capital refers to man-made tools, machines, building, and financial assets used to produce goods and services. Unlike land and labor, capital is created by the human for a productive use. Types of capital are physical capital, for example, machine, tools, and equipment. Human capital, for example, knowledge, skill, and experience of a worker. Financial capital, money used to invest in a productions, for example, business funding. Or social capital, institute and relationship that facilitate economic activity. Example, banking systems. Now, for it is important is increase efficiency and reduce manual labor, essential for large scale production and leads to economic growth and development. And the last is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, the driving force. The entrepreneurship refers to the ability to combine land, labor, and capital to create and manage a business. Entrepreneurship takes risk, innovation, and drive an economic growth. The main characteristic of entrepreneurship are risk taking, innovation, and decision making. The best example of some of the famous entrepreneurs is Elon Musk, creating an innovative electric car and space technology. And the second one is Steve Jobs, who created a revolutionary smartphone that is Apple. And the main and the important factors of an entrepreneur is creating a job opportunity and economic growth, encouraging technological advancement and competition, and lead to create a new market and industries. These are the four. Now, due to the advancement of a technology, there are many changes, maybe which may be affect this some factor of production, sir. Like due to advanced technology, there will be automation, replacing our manual labors with the robots and machinery, sir. And like digitalization, transforming industry with software, data, and online platform, and innovation, developing new technology, increasing productivity and efficiency. The technological impact has a overall good factors which helps in increasing production efficiency, lower cost, well cheaper goods and services for consumers, New industries and jobs like AI related new jobs, fintech, renewable energy, and more. And better sustainability means less waste and eco-friendly production. But there will be some challenge due to technology, maybe that job displacement due to automation replacing traditional jobs and skill gap. Now, worker need constant skill upgradation and digital divide. Now, some country lag behind due to lack of tech assistance. Okay, so here I conclude my topic on the factor of production, and here I conclude that factor of productions are the building block of any economy, and efficient utilization of these resources lead to economic growth, which mismanagement result in inefficiency and stagnation. That's why the factor of production is very important for the overall growth of a country. Thank you.